Oh, the Nissan Titan started overheating. Man, a really cool guy, Tyler, broke down in Wildwood. I'm right here at Goodyear Wildwood Tire Company. These boys are great. Complete automotive service. And down the road, there's an Advance Auto. The guy Mike told me these people are good, great mechanics, and they closed at 4, so they let me work on the vehicle. I pretty much came prepared. I've got Mr. McDonald's Husky complete socket set here, and what we're gonna do, it was overheating. The pressure in here was really hot. My cousin Christopher Donovan, he kind of thought it was a blown head gasket, but you never assume. So I reached out to Dencar, a guy named Dennis that I met at a technical class doing automotive AC repair. His name's Dennis Dencar. He's off Hillsborough Avenue in Tampa, and he told me it's the thermostat. So we got to take all this fucking shit off and get to the thermostat. And my man Tyler has hooked us up with a schematic that he was kind enough to print out. They're down the road. It's called Advance Auto, and the one guy, forget his name, I got short-term memory loss. I want to say maybe Gary. He knew about this strainer. This is going to strain our coolant. Here's the thermostat. It's a cooler thermostat. You don't want the hot thermostat. That's meant for up north. This is the cooler one for like the south where we reside. So we get this bad boy. They didn't have a housing gasket, so I'm going to use this. Alright, we're going to go get this fucker on the road. Let's go. Chop chop, bitch. Alright, boys and girls, we're at the plastic frickin' thermostat housing. I don't know why. Maybe to save weight, we got to get those bolts off. They're probably 8mm with a 12mm socket head. This fucking gets me, man. This is a plastic intake plenum.